Hello friends, I am Sandeep Raste, Assistant Professor in Department of Electrical Engineering, AISSMS, Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we discuss two-port network. So in case of two-port network, a pair of terminals at which an electrical signal may enter or leave a network is called port. So this is a network having single port or one port, we can say. And this is network having two port. A part at which energy source is called driving point of network or input port, and this is 2 and 2 dash. This is output port, a port at which load is connected, and two port network parameters. This is a basic two port network parameter structure. Input port or energy source is connected at this port. Port 1, we can say 1 and 1 dash. There are two terminals. Input voltage is V1 and current is I1. Similarly, port 2, that is output port, having 2 and 2 dash terminal. Voltage is V2 and current is I2. Let's see one by one type of two-port network. First one is Z parameter or open circuit impedance parameter. In that, dependent variable V1 and V2, independent variables I1 and I2, Z parameter equation V1 equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2, V2 equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. In matrix form, V1 and V2 are dependent variables and Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22 and I1 and I2 are independent variables. Z11 equal to V1 upon I1. When we open circuited output port, we get Z11 and Z21, and when we open circuited input port, we get Z12 and Z22. Now Z11 is equal to V1 upon I1 when I2 equal to 0. Open circuit driving point impedance, it is in ohm. Z12 V1 upon I2, I1 equal to 0. Open circuited reverse transfer impedance, Z21 V2 upon I1, I2 equal to 0. Open circuited forward impedance, Z22 V2 upon I2, I1 equal to open circuited output impedance. Impedance unit is ohm. Next is Y parameter. Y parameter, that is short circuit admittance, dependent variable I1 and I2, independent variable V1 and V2. Equation of Y parameter, I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2 and I2 equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. In matrix form, this is a matrix form. So Y11 equal to I1 upon V1, current divided by voltage. If output terminal, that is port 2 terminal, port 2 short circuited, we get Y11 and Y21, and when we port 1 short circuited, then we get Y12 and Y22. Y11 is equal to I1 upon V1, V2 equal to 0. Short circuit input admittance, y12 I1 upon V2 V1 equal to 0 short circuited reverse transfer admittance, y21 equal to I2 upon V1 V2 equal to 0 short circuited forward transfer admittance, y22 equal to I2 upon V2 V1 equal to 0 short circuited output admittance. Next is ABCD parameter or transmission parameter. In this, dependent variable V1 and I1 and independent variable V2 and I2. Here I2 is minus. This is an ABCD parameter equations. V1 equal to A V2 plus B minus I2. I1 equal to C V2 plus D minus I2. This is a matrix form of ABCD parameter. When I2, that is port 2 open circuited, then we get A and C, and port 2 short circuited, then we get B and D. So this is a formula. A is nothing but open circuited reverse gain. B is short circuited transfer admittance. C is open circuited transfer admittance. D is short circuited reverse current gain. Next is H parameter, that is hybrid parameter. Dependent variables V1, I2, independent variables I1, V2. This is an equation of H parameter. V1 equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. I2 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. This is a matrix form of H parameter. When we open circuited port 1, then we get H12 and H22, and when we short circuited output port, that is port 2, then we get H11 and H21. This is a formula of H11, H12, H21 and H22. H11 is short circuited input impedance. H12 is open circuited reverse voltage gain. H21 is short circuited forward current gain, and H22 is open circuited output admittance. Summary of two-port network is Z parameter, Y parameter, H parameter, and transmission parameter. So these are the dependent variables, and this is independent variables. This is an equations. And one more important thing, while solving particular network for determine Z parameter, Y parameter, H parameter, this condition must be satisfied. Symmetry is Z11 equal to Z22. Reciprocity is Z12 equal to Z21. Likewise, in case of transmission parameter, A equal to D, and symmetry and reciprocity AB minus BC equal to 1. In case of Y parameter, symmetry is Y12 equal to Y22, and reciprocity Y12 equal to Y21. Similarly, symmetry in H parameter, H11 H22 minus H12 H22 equal to 1, and reciprocity H12 equal to H21. Thank you.